Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial number 5 on chatbots in the Moodle. If we look at the course overview and scroll down, we go to the course support forum, and here you can see that I have added a GPT that I created that is called Robert's Classroom Whisperer. This forum is for participants to use to ask any questions and make any comments that they may have in regards to the course, and also to feel free to ask our Classroom Whisperer, our AI assistant for the course, any questions they may have. So if we click on it, you will see this GPT that I created where participants can ask this Classroom Whisperer smart classroom management tips for teachers, and there are 3 possibilities. So they can use that by asking basically their questions here. I'm going to go back. That was the first one. This one is customized in the sense that I created it. The second one is using character AI. And if we go to the resources, then we can see here, resources forum, meet Rob Martz, your AI assistant. So if we go in there, it says, please use this dedicated forum to ask any questions or comments related exclusively to the course resources. Also feel free to use it to share any resources you have tried and tested, but you can also ask Rob Martz, I gave the assistant that name, our cool classroom conscious course AI assistant, for ideas on classroom management resources. So for this one, I use character AI. Let's see what happens when I click on it. And basically, this is where we are. So we can ask questions to Rob Sup, is called Robert Supplementary, so support. And this one is basically, as it says here, Classroom Management Resources Assistant. So we can basically ask different questions. So can you tell me about classroom management resources I can use? And then let's see what it says. Here we go. So it's sure, there are numerous classroom resources available, so it's giving me some ideas. So this is the second one. For the third one, I use 11 labs, and for that one, we're going to go to the activities. And under the activities, we can see it here, activities for you, rating for a grade, and conversation assistant AI. In this case, I said, please use this forum to reflect individually on the activities available. You can chat to Robbie to help you reflect and get started. So let's see what happens when we click on Robbie. It's a call agent. We need to click.
Hey there, I'm Robbie from 11 Labs Support.
Hi,
How
Robbie.
can I help you reflect?
Hi, Robbie.
Hey
I would like to reflect on the activities for my first module. The thing is that I don't know how to organize my reflections. Can you help me?
Sure thing. To best help you organize your reflections, could you tell me a bit more about the activities in your first module? What were the main topics or skills covered?
Yes, the first activities were all related to getting to know you and setting the ground for the course. It's an online course.
Got it. So the initial activities were focused on introductions and establishing the basics for the online course. To help you organize your reflections, are you looking for a specific structure or framework to use? For example,
no, I just want one post that is not going to be very long because I'm aware of screen time, but I want to be able to have a clear structure. Can you suggest one, please?
All right, I can help with that. How about using a simple what? So what? Now what? Structure? It's concise and effective for reflection. Does that sound like something you'd be interested in?
Yes, thank you very much. Bye.
Happy I could help with the structure for your reflections. Have a wonderful day.
Okay, then number 4 is I use Mizu, and it is under week 1 introduction. So if we go there, we go to the week 1 introduction to classroom management and contracts and Robin AI assistant. Basically in this forum is for you to discuss what we have learned about and revisited on classroom management and contracts, because this course is for both novice and experienced teachers. Also, you can use Robin to ask for advice or just ask questions about classroom contracts. So for this one, I use Mizu. Let's see what it looks like. If you click on the link, then understanding classroom contracts. Welcome. Let's see.
Welcome. Let's explore how classroom contracts can enhance your learning experience and improve classroom management. Classroom contracts set clear expectations, fostering a sense of ownership among students. They promote accountability and create a respectful environment where everyone understands their roles. This shared commitment enhances rapport and encourages interaction, empowering students to communicate openly. Key takeaways: establish mutual respect, clarify rules, and promote collaboration. Effective classroom management creates a positive learning space where everyone thrives.
So I'm going to type now. So thank you. Can you tell me what you think the basics of classroom management are? Okay, and here is giving me some information. Now I just realized that I changed the picture to a male teacher because I'm a male and I wanted to reflect that, but the voice is still a female voice, so I need to double check that. And the last one is, so this is with Mizu, and the last one is for week 2, I used Notebook LM. And it is more specific. So let's use this forum to discuss the different aspects related to this week's school classroom contract. You can also use Notebook LM AI Assistant to find out more about this type of course or contract. And if we click there, I just realized that it works. However, because I trained it, I added information there, but it has to be for someone who has an account. So I tried signing out and then accessing it through the link. So if you don't have a Google account, I don't think it is going to work, because I tried sharing it and it says adding people or groups. So unless I add people or groups, if you copy the link, only people with a Gmail account or with a Microsoft account, I imagine, are going to be able to access it, because I tried accessing the link without being signed in and it would prompt me to sign in. So that's something to bear in mind. Okay, I'm going to go back to my course, and I hope this is useful. Those were my 5 AI chatbots included in this course, and that I definitely need to keep exploring. Thanks for watching.